Welcome back, everyone. In today's episode, we're going to get the body on the frame and free up some room. I'm going to be using this 3M adhesive to glue strips of carpet onto the frame rails. Using what I have, I've got some weights on some boards to keep it pressed down while it cures, or clamping with some brackets. Now I'll jack the frame up so I can swap the jack stands out for the rolling stands and make this easier to move around the garage. Here you can see both stands in place and how I'm going to swap them out. And here you can see the swap over is completed. The body is now resting on the regular jack stands. And the chassis is now back on the rolling stands. I'm going to use my quick jacks to help prop this body up, using them on both sides and kind of walk the frame underneath. Here's all the strips of carpet that are placed on the frame rails, covering all of the important spots where the body will be resting against the frame. And this is how I have the quick jacks set up. Got a couple 2x4s nailed together, bracing it all the way across side to side. Time for the first lift. Get the body in the air and start sliding this frame under. I replaced the jack stands with boards running front to back. As you can see, I'm going to slide the frame in as far as I can. Now I'm going to slide the quick jack back in. This is going to go in between the frame rails and come up through the center. The driver's side of the car, the far side you can't see, that quick jack is still in place. Basically, I'm just going to keep lifting it up and down as I continue to inch the frame in. Quick jacks go up and down in an arc, so as this is moving up, I'm going to have to keep adjusting it to make sure that it lines up and actually catches both of the 2x4s. Now with both jacks out of the way, I can slide it in some more, as it just uses the room that's in between the frame rails to go against the quick jack. I've got the jack stands back in place and the quick jack out of the way, can slide it in some more. This is where we're at so far. We're really close. We're gonna do a little bit more moving to get everything lined up and set it down. And this is the final time up on the quick jacks, as I can remove the regular jacks and we can do the last bit of positioning and lining up before we set it down and tuck it away. In the rear, make sure these come up through the pre-cut holes in the body. In the front, this part of the body should be in between the front bumper supports. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next one.